Starting a makeup business, or even learning makeup as a beginner, can feel overwhelming. There are so many products and tools out there, but here's the truth: you don't need everything. Today, I'll show you the top 3 things every beginner MUA should invest in. These are the essentials that will set you up for success without wasting money. Stick around to the end because I'll also share bonus tips on how to use these investments to grow your business fast. Let's start with number 1. A good brush set. Your brushes are like your magic wands. Even with affordable products, the right brushes can give you a flawless, professional finish. Now, here's the mistake beginners make. Buying every single brush in the market. You don't need 30 brushes when you're starting. Instead, focus on a starter set of 8 to 12 brushes that cover the basics. A foundation brush or beauty sponge, a blending brush for eyeshadow, a fluffy powder brush, an angled brush for brows and liner, and a lip brush for precision. With these, you can create almost any look. Think of brushes as an investment, not an expense. A quality set can last years if you take care of them. So, don't just buy cheap brushes that shed and frustrate you. Save a little more and get a decent starter set. Number 2, complexion products. These are your foundation, concealer, and powders. When you're starting out, you don't need the full shade range of every brand. Instead, invest in a few key shades that you can mix and match. I recommend at least 1 light shade, 1 medium shade, and 1 dark shade. From these, you can blend to match most skin tones you'll encounter as a beginner. And as you grow and earn more clients, you can gradually expand your shade range. Why complexion products? Because skin is the base of every look. If the skin doesn't look right, no matter how nice the eyeshadow or lipstick is, the makeup won't stand out. So focus first on making the skin look flawless. And here's a bonus. Start with brands that are reliable but budget-friendly. You don't need luxury brands right away. Some drugstore products perform amazingly well, and clients often care more about the results than the brand name. Now, let's talk about number 3, lighting. This one is often ignored by beginners, but it's a game changer. Good lighting will help you apply makeup better. You'll actually see the true shades and details. And it also improves the quality of your pictures and videos, which is super important for promoting yourself online. Imagine doing an amazing look, but posting a picture that looks dull and grainy because of bad lighting. That's how many beginners lose opportunities. A simple ring light or LED light panel is enough to get started. Position it in front of your client or yourself when filming. Trust me, once you start using proper lighting, you'll never go back. Now that you know the top 3 investments, here are some quick bonus tips. Learn to clean and maintain your brushes regularly. This makes them last longer and keeps clients safe. Organize your products neatly, even if you're working from home. Presentation matters. Use your lighting not just for makeup, but also to create content for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. That's how you'll attract clients beyond your neighborhood. So let's recap. The top 3 things every beginner MUA should invest in are a quality brush set, basic complexion products, and proper lighting. These are simple but powerful tools that will help you look professional, improve your craft, and grow your business. And don't forget, I've put together an ebook for beginner MUAs with even more step-by-step guidance on how to turn your passion into profit. The link is right in the description. Go grab your copy and start building your dream today. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty and business tips, and share this with a friend who's also starting their makeup journey. See you in my next video.